Hi, this is Abdulaziz Khan, and in this video we will see that which program we should use with this course that we will be going through. So there are many software options that we can use, but to start it, first I will let you know that personally I use this Visual Studio Code, which I have found that it's quite easy. It has its own benefits. Like if you see it on the left side, it has a place where you can see all of your files, and you can see the file structure, and then there's a code view pane, and then there's a place where you can run the code and you can see the outputs of the code, the debug kind of output. So there are you can say that there are many good features of Visual Studio Code, and this is, you can say, a kind of most preferred software that we can use for this class. But there are definitely there are other options as well. So how we can get this Visual Studio? If you just open a browser and then you just write in the browser about Visual Studio Code download, and you will find this link. The first link refers to the URL of Visual Studio Code, and from this URL you can download it. I have put the URL in the description as well. You can go through the description directly. Otherwise, you can Google it and then you can open. There are many options. I mean, you can have it for based on the operating system that you have. If you have Windows or Linux or Mac or whatever. So apart from it, then there is um, JetBrains. JetBrains is also a very good option, and for the users of Python, it has, you can say some very great options, but it's not free of cost. Like you can download it for different versions, but this will be a 30-day trial download, and you can use it for 30 days for free, and you can give it a chance if you just want to learn it for a while, or you can buy it if you like it, and if you want to pay for it. Personally, I do not recommend a lot of paying in the start, because when a person is learning, then this paying can become a kind of issue for him. So Visual Studio, as you can see it right now, it's a free software, and it's very nice. It has a lot of features which I will describe later. So see you in my next class. Thank you.